the radio. Hey, Twister, good to hear you out there, my friend. Shoot, been a long while. I hope everything's real good your way. Twister, good to hear you, my friend. 51 back in your radio.
Hey, 51 Virginia. Hey, 51 Virginia, long time no hear. Long time CB friend out there. 51 Virginia, putting it on me in western North Dakota. Hey, 51 Virginia, Twister 24/7, North Dakota, Mobile background.
Hey, Twister, got a great copy on you tonight. That Mobile's coming through here like it means business. Hey, Twister, I know you've been in North Dakota a while there, trucking around up there, but hey, it's good to hear you. Hey, Twister, hope you're having a great night out there, that's for sure. 51 back.
Hi, 51. Hey, 51. You're kind of dying off on me out there, man, but always good to hear from an old friend out there. 51 Virginia. 51 Virginia, Twister 24/7, western North Dakota, the voice of North Dakota, back out.
Hey, have a fine one there, Twister. Always a pleasure, my friend, and hopefully we'll get to do it again real soon. Twister, take care, man, and have a good night. 51 Virginia, be shouting at you later.
Hello, 654, getting on down. Hello, 654. Hello, 654, Twister 24/7. Twister 24/7. Damn it, Twister 24/7. You're coming in real good. Sounds like a local up here.
Yes, first time I heard old Twister in a long time.
Yeah, me too, since last time I heard him was, way back there up in North Dakota. 650.
That's where he's at now, still in North Dakota.
Yeah, that's where the money's at.
Yeah, drilling that oil up there on private land.
Yeah, all parts and stuff, don't he?
I think so.
Yeah, he's one of them equipment companies or something, hauls parts. Sure making the day go by quick, hauling parts and driving and around top of Skip all day with it.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You had to drive it all the time and didn't have a radio, it'd be a mess, right? It'd be a slow day.
Make for a good job, enjoyable if you enjoyed doing that. 400, the old Gringo in Texas, waving a hand. 400 Gringo, 26.5 Virginia. All right, dear Glenn, 654 Northeast Iowa just got down.
654 Iowa, 51 Virginia. Oh, 654 around Iowa, 51 Virginia. This old radio's still clear, folks.
Oh, yeah.
Joe.
Where are you with us?
Well, I don't know.